Hi ladies, do you know how to store and display your designer handbags if you had a walk-in wardrobe? So in this video, I'm going to show you some tips from this bags boutique. Coming up. Hi guys, Raymond here from Interior Design with Ray, bringing you tips and tutorials for your next home renovation. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Anyway, in today's video, I'm showing you a rare chance to walk into a bag boutique and see how they display their bags and the types of lighting and material used for your walk-in wardrobe. So sit tight and enjoy. Okay, I'm outside the shop. Okay, there's a digital lock. Okay, so hello. Okay, let me just show you the place. Okay, this is the entrance area, where they have a few varieties of bags, different brands. Okay, so display cabinet, where the shelving are all wrapped with fabric just to protect the base of the bags. It doesn't scratch the bag. I just open this door, see the inside. Okay, so how I hide the lighting here, right, all these are the LED light strip. Okay, so it's really at the bottom, you can see, right, it's a LED light strip at the angle, so it's shining down onto the bag, nice and bright. There's another strip at the back of the shelf, so it also highlights the backing of the display cabinet. So every shelf actually has the backlight and the front light as well. Right here, so the light can be like more evenly spread out. Okay, so this is the display counter where it's used to place wallets, pouch, keychain. Okay, so stand in the way, it can be slide out. Okay, fabric wrap, lamination. A keyhole in front and the doors as well. Okay, so this is the stainless steel divider. It's a vertical frame, spray painted in gold color. It's a display niche, right? It's facing the main entrance, which is here. Right, so the access is at the back. It's over here. Okay, so this ceiling is very high, it's 4 meters. Right, so at this end it's about 3 meters, and then 1 meter up for storage, and then finish with a nice chandelier. Carpet and marble floor. Right, let's finish with real marble flooring. Not porcelain, but real marble. It looks more natural, and the gloss is fantastic. Okay, so let's go up to the higher tier. Let's take a look at the stainless steel finish. Okay, there's some more display cabinet here. Here there, and two very dark mysterious cabinet where they display the more luxurious bag. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, same lighting effect. Right, so bottom is an angle shining onto the back. This is laminate to match with the fabric. Okay, next I want to show you this dark cabinet. Okay, small high-end bag, so the mood is darker. Okay, very dark fabric finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top. Okay, so you can see the small little spot lighting, okay, which is adjustable. Okay, the wattage is about 2 watts, and not too bright. It's not warm, so it doesn't damage the surface of the bag, because all these bags it's quite expensive. Okay, so just spotlight down a little bit. Close the door. Okay, so just one bulb focusing on each bag. Here. Okay, this is the upper tier. Quite a lot of bags. Okay, same concept, lighting, front and back. It's a gondola with some storage. It's finished in veneer. Okay, with a little gap here, 20 mm. It's a mirror door. This mirror door goes towards the office, which is being secured by some digital lock. Okay, so I'm not going to touch that. It's the main counter, printer and stuff. Okay, these are the display niches. Mounted on the divider, just sitting on the divider itself. No other support. Here on the top. Okay. Access from here. At the back. The back is just one fixed glass panel. So people from the outside escalator can see all the displays here, and the main one. Okay, this main area also has a chandelier. Ambience. Okay, so I'm going to show you the lights, where with a touch of a button, you can change color. So yeah, please. Oh yeah, okay. You can see the difference in the light color tone. So right now it's much brighter, which is about, I think, 5000 Kelvin. And then please back to the original. Alright, suddenly it turns slightly warmer. Okay, this color is about 3000 Kelvin, so a bit more, it's like warmer. Right, display the back better. Right, not too bright, not too stark. Okay, next come to the VIP area or the VIP lounge. Okay, the mood of this place is very luxurious, with very nice a bit of like bronze tinge wallpaper. Okay, it matches very well with the overall gold accents. Alright, there's some gold accents here. Right, this is a stainless steel plate, right, just mounted onto the front of the shelf. Lamination, slate look lamination. So this area also, bags that are very limited, so the bulbs are all just one small little light shining onto the back. It's not very warm. Just close it. Right, if you see here, every frame there's a rust inlay. Okay, just going up all the way to the ceiling here, down, and then end at this side here. Okay, so this is another mirror. 1, 2, 3 panel. The center panel is a door to the storeroom. Let me just show you. Let's push. Okay, it's a storeroom. It's a self-closing door actually. Know what to do already? I hope you do. So if you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and I'll try my best to reply to your comments. As always, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys!